She walks through fire, yet her spirit never fades. Each tear she's cried has built the woman she...
Hey, beautiful babes, your girl, Sweet Angel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. So glad you're coming to hang out with me. If you're new, of course, you need to do one thing. That is, subscribe to the channel. Hey, make that too. Go ahead and hit the post notification bell, and that way you'll be in the know each and every time I upload. Now, if you're one of the regulars, y'all already know we're in for some fun, a treat, something good. And I'm so glad you're back, time and time again. Y'all, let's get started today. We're going to be talking about these dark circles. Yes, around the eyes, under the eyes, on top of the eyes, on the side of the eyes. We need to get rid of those. And y'all, I have my share. You know, I'm a blues singer. Late nights at the club, different things going on. The girl get them dark circles just as well. So you know what? I found some great things that'll help you out. And y'all, we're going to be implementing today more of essential oils into getting these dark circles knocked out. So if you're ready for it, let's get down to the desk. So let's dive into the best essential oils for dark circles under the eyes. A few good essential oils for dark circles under eyes, and their qualities are going to be explained in this video. Now, the first one I have here is Chamomile Essential Oil. Chamomile is an anti-inflammatory essential oil that is used for dark circles. It tends to soothe the skin. It also has antidepressant and antibiotic properties. Just add 1 drop of chamomile to 15 milliliters of apricot kernel oil, which is the carrier oil. Lightly tap the oil mixture under the eyes. Avoid application of oil on your eyelids, and of course, do not get in your eye. The next essential oil is Palmarosa. Palmarosa oil is very useful in treating skin problems as it has antibacterial and antiseptic properties. It is a very good stress reliever and reduces anxiety and nervous exhaustion. Palmarosa oil also possesses effective hydrating and rejuvenating properties. 1 drop of Palmarosa oil mixed with, we'll go ahead and use some more apricot kernel oil or any suitable oil, is to be applied gently on the dark circles and left on overnight. Yes, darling, one of our favorites, frankincense essential oil. Man, have we not given this one the shine these last few weeks. This is one of the best essential oils for dark circles, as it has the characteristics of fading out the darkness of the skin. It instigates a feeling of satisfaction, relaxation, and mental peace. It lowers anxiety, stress, and anger. To around 15 milliliters of any carrier oil. My preference is apricot kernel oil, of course. Add 1 milliliter of frankincense oil. This mixture should be applied below the eyes very carefully. Now, if you don't have extremely sensitive skin, you can actually apply frankincense essential oil neat. That means without a carrier oil, but make sure you test the area first before doing so, and just leave it on. That's how you use this one. Next, we have clove oil. Clove oil mixed with frankincense oil is very good for dark circles. This helps to improve the blood circulation and is also a good natural anti-inflammatory. Just take 2 drops of the clove oil, 7 drops of the frankincense oil, and then we're going to add 7 drops of lemon oil and a few drops of the vitamin E oil. Do that to your preference, okay? Mix all of the ingredients well and store in a bottle. Apply this mixture every night on dark circles to reduce them. Perfect. Now here's the great one, geranium essential oil. This one is one of the best for dark circles under eyes. It reduces puffiness as well. It has anti-aging qualities. Also, powerful oil, huh? 2 drops of rose geranium oil is to be mixed with a half teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Try to get pure aloe vera gel for quick results. Apply this mixture gently under each eye every day before going to bed. And yes, if you can get your hands on a fresh aloe vera plant, that would be even better. Next up, we have phenol essential oil, another good essential oil to reduce puffiness and dark circles. Yes, it is. It is found to be fruitful in smoothing the wrinkles and toning the skin. Mix 1 drop of phenol essential oil with a half teaspoon of coconut oil and apply on the affected area around the eyes. And make sure you do not apply it on the eyelids or too close to the eyes. Another great one. Now we have one that's known and loved by many, lavender oil. Lavender oil is one of the best for under eye circles. It has incredible properties that are highly suitable for skin. It is abundant with antioxidant features and is the most popular oil in the world. When lavender oil is applied on the eyes regularly, it relaxes the eyes and induces sleep. Add 1 drop of lavender oil to a half teaspoon of coconut oil and mix well. Massage this oil under your eyes before you go to sleep. Now this is cypress essential oil. It is considered as a priceless and precious gem as it works wonderfully in reducing dark circles. It also helps in removing excess fluid that accumulates below the eyes, causing puffiness. 1 drop of cypress oil mixed with half of a teaspoon of shea butter should be applied gently on dark circles and left overnight. And finally, rosemary essential oil is said to be beneficial, very beneficial for reducing dark circles and puffiness. It is anti-inflammatory and also aids in removing excess water. Soak a clean cotton piece in a used green tea bag and add a drop of rosemary essential oil. Dab the cotton under each eye gently. And there you have it, beautiful babes. Y'all, essential oils. Y'all know I'm a big lover of essential oils. And when it comes to dark circles, puffiness under the eyes, they have so many healing and restorative properties. And they're very, very good for health and beauty. Essential oils are so beneficial for dark circles as they trigger the blood circulation under the eyes and reduce puffiness. The oils will nurture the skin and lighten it as well. They also heal the skin that is damaged. They are so helpful in reducing the stress and calm the eyes, giving you some very good sleep. Y'all, listen, you should have one of those recipes written down that you know you can do tonight. So if you would, let me know after you've taken your several weeks of doing this, and let me know how the recipe you chose did for you. I appreciate you so much always coming to the channel, and I love hanging out with you. Again, I'm your girl, Sweet Angel. If you did in fact find this video helpful today, make sure you let me know by dropping a like on the video, dropping me a heart in the comment section, and beautiful babes, don't keep me a secret. Please don't tell somebody that Sweet Angel is right here on YouTube talking about beauty, all things beauty. So please, what you have to do is share me with your world, and I will see you and you on the next video. Take care until then. Bye.
She walked walks through fire, yet her spirit never fades. Each tear she's cried has built the woman she became. Soft as a whisper, loud as a storm, she's been breaking chains since the day she was born. They tried to silence her truth, but oh, she sings it anyway. With every scar she's proof you can rise after the